और बच्चों को मेरा बहुत बहुत प्यार और आशीर्वाद।
हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना।
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ। यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ। तुझे सब है पता है न माँ। Mom has really taken care of me since my childhood, and also she has looked after me during my problems, and she used to sing a song for me, Chanda hai tu, wo meri sapnों का तारा है तू.
I am so lucky to have you in our lives. You have been an anchor for the whole family and especially for me. We have had our shares of disagreements, but I still look for you when I need anything. Thank you for being our pillar. If Papa is the head, Mummy is the heart and helps keep everyone together.
हाय माँ। जिंदगी हंस के जियो, खुल के जियो, प्यार से जियो, सुकून से जियो, सब आप ही ने सिखाया है। आज भी सिर्फ आपकी आवाज़ सुनकर सारे गम दूर हो जाते हैं। लव यू माँ।
Mom, you're the best. Thank you for being there for me always and giving me the right guidance in every difficult situation. Thank you for making me what I am today. आपसे जितना सीखा है वो कम है, और मैं ये आशा करती हूँ कि जैसे आप सबका ध्यान रखते हैं, मैं भी हमेशा सबका ध्यान रखूँ और सबके काम आऊँ. I love you and will always love you.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Nani.
Nani, this is a very special message from all of us for your special day and special year. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Hope you have a great party and a great event with all your friends. We are very sorry we could not be there. I also wanted to take this occasion to thank you for all the love, affection, and care you have showered upon me right from the day we first met. Thank you so much for everything, and I wish you a very long and a healthy life, and can't wait to see you again.
Hi, Nani. Happy birthday. I hope you've had a good party so far. We love you and we miss you here, and we wish we could be with you, but since we can't, we're just spreading our good wishes.
Hi, Nani. Happy belated birthday. We wish we could be here with you, but since we're not, this is our way of saying happy birthday. Thanks for being such a great Nani and for always being there for us. We all love you.
Bye.
Bye.
सासू माँ, आपकी इस घर में बहुत चलती है. यू आर द बॉन्ड ऑफ दिस हाउस, अ बॉन्ड दैट कीप्स एवरीवन टुगेदर, अ बॉन्ड ऑफ लव. हाँ, लेकिन जितनी चलती है उतना आपको चलना भी चाहिए. ऑल द बेस्ट एंड थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग.
प्रणाम नानी, आपने मेरे बचपन से ख्याल रखा है, उसके लिए थैंक यू.
प्रणाम नानी, आपने मुझे बड़े होने में बहुत मदद की है और पूरी परिवार को एक रखने में भी. धन्यवाद.
Hi Daddy, you are everything for me. First of all, you are my princess. I love you. I thank you for the family and me. You are my princess because you buy me everything. You are so kind. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Hi, Nida, Didi. Happy birthday. Didi. Very, very, very happy 70th birthday. Sorry we can't come, but the thing is that we are going to miss the dancing, the music, the games, all the cheating that happened during the games in the last 70th birthday, and so much fun we had. So laugh a lot, dance a lot, sing a lot, and miss us a lot.
Hi Didi. As usual, I agree with everything that my wife said. Happy birthday. Jokes apart, thank you very much for being so calm and serene and always there to look after us, and especially taking me out of the bathroom when I lock myself. Bye and have a wonderful, wonderful birthday.
Didi was always the most dependable and responsible. She was the perfect Bhargav Patrika wali Sundar Sushil Grah Karya mein Nipun Kanya, while I was the total opposite. She is still the most dependable, reliable and responsible, and is always there for all of us.
Mom, I love you a lot and will love always till we all are there with you.
हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये तुम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना. खैर कुछ तो जानते ही हो. लव यू माय लव.